Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for holidays using the National Trust application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then you should tap on this more icon down below, which is the third option, and then you should tap on the holidays option, which is the fifth one. Now you can read a small introduction about this section, and then tap on the search holidays button down below, and now you will be directed to the website of the National Trust. Here you can search for holidays by tapping on this button in the middle of the screen. Now you should fill out these forms, such as giving your region. You can also search by location or property name, and then you should select the date, how many nights you want to stay, the guest, or if you have any pet, any dog. Then you should tap on this button search, and then you will be able to select from the results. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.